After rain, it's a little cold today. We're chilly out here, but this guy, he doesn't even care what he's wearing most of the times. He just loves that he could be out here. He doesn't have too much hair. He's a Labrador, and of course we do have our retriever, so he doesn't need. He's actually a walking coat. Oh, we have Crypto here. How do you like your sweater, Crypto? You like it? Well, you know what? It's been cold lately. I know it's been cold, so we are actually, he likes it. It's been already about 2 or 3 days already with it, and he hasn't taken it off because it's been cold here in California. It's been raining. I do take it off when it starts raining because I don't want it to get wet, but so far it's been working very well. Very, very slick and very soft too. So, and it keeps him warm. And in fact, I took it off the other day. He wanted to put it back on. So overall, this thing is pretty good. It's washable. It's very, very, very warm for him. So because he has not that much hair, he's always cold. It's perfect for those weathers, those cold weathers like today. Now I do have a golden retriever. He has a walking coat. This guy doesn't have a big thick layer of coat, so that's why we end up getting this color blue.